idea of the observer,
Yes.
which is for me very important and the
That
most
changes
important.
things, yes, by being there.
And
yeah.
the string theory goes further.
Yeah, this is like when you think
so
about
we didn't talk about this at all.
What do you mean it goes
it's very
further?
Simple. It's really like the thing of the observer.
Yeah,
Is good. They always say like very philosophical, but it's just like
I guess it is very simple.
like when you the problem in the quantum theory is they say you cannot observe an electron. If you look at it, then it will behave different. Blah blah. It's only because when you look at something, you need light to see it, and in light you have photons, and photons are so big like electrons. So if you point electrons with light, then they will interfere with the photons
so
of the light.
Yeah,
Yeah, they like the quantum duality. But it was amazing at the beginning of the 20th century, thinking that if I look at electrons, then they don't behave the same. Yeah, because you are looking them with a microscope that has light.
So it's only about photons, and they change their behavior because of the light. Yes?
Yeah, because they
Not
interfere.
because of the observer, just because of the light.
No, but that's why we do the experiments in an accelerator, which is a tunnel that is like 100 meters below Earth, and it doesn't have any light or any cosmic rays or any air around, and just because nothing interferes with it. So it's not the fact that you are looking, but it's that you are looking with light.
So isn't it like that you use another sense to explore it? I mean that you...
Like hearing? Maybe you the artist can think about it.
I don't know, but you heard that you need the light to see something, and if you can see something, you need another sense to experiment it. There's no other way.
Yeah, but what? What, like sound? But
I don't know, but it's like my first idea that you need something else to do it.
yeah, but that's what we do now, as I told you, like in the tunnel, which is very dark and everything, and then
Yeah, but I don't know, how do you...
How do you analyze it?
You hear it, or you...
No,
You just can see the trace of...
yeah, so we do the experiment in a very dark atmosphere with no air and
So
no...
you use some kind of tool to see it. Let's say.
So in the end we don't see the particles, because if we look at them then we don't see them.
So you
like
see
now
the trace of
they
it.
collide, yeah, and then they go out of the tunnel, and we see when they go out, we see the trace that they left. In the beginning of the 20th century, it was like in water or gas. It was called a bubble chamber. Chamber. And you see the particles going through the bubble chamber, and you see like the bubbles they leave and how they move in the gas. But yeah, you see them like later, because if you try to see them from the beginning, then you don't see them anymore. So you only see like you take a photo, and then you see the trace they left. Yeah, you have to always think, like you said, like other senses, other ways. But yeah, besides from light, we don't have that much senses, because sound, you need air to hear sound. You know, like in the outside of the earth, you won't hear any noise because there is no air.
What?
Yeah, sound are pressure waves.
But
There's no air, you
how
cannot
come
hear
the
sound.
Big Bang Theory is about sound? Like they know about that because of the sound.
No, they know about this because of the microwave radiation that comes.
I thought
Light?
it was because of sound waves.
No, microwave waves.
Ah.
Yeah, sound only can propagate in a medium, like water or
I
air.
remember that.
From physics, yeah.
We studied physics together.
Alright.
In the school.
She went a little bit farther than me.
At the beginning
Yeah.
of the
Studying
time.
that.
And I used to be better than you. I had better grades than you in physics. I did.
Because you
What
were
were
a
you studying?
nerd.
Medicine?
I was a nerd. Oh?
What were you
Yeah,
studying? What are you studying? Medicine.
Yeah. I was a nerd. I was studying all the time.
You still are a nerd.
Yeah, probably.
Look at my glasses.